seems like a very rainy beginning of the week. Welcome to rainy Bali. Actually, it's beautiful here when it's rainy. It's really like a nice vibe. This guy is still working hard cleaning the gardens. I like when in Bali it's raining, but people still have to work, but they're using the umbrella and and doing the cleaning job in the gardens. Meanwhile, the rain is like this. It's very rainy nowadays in Bali, so far for sure. Good morning, everybody. It's super morning, super rainy morning actually right now in Bali. I dropped Winnie to work because it was raining very badly. Look at these stones over here. Normally they are like 10 centimeters less water where it's right now. When I'm passing down, I hope so I'm not gonna fall down inside the pond, because that will be actually very funny, I guess. Comment below if you was waiting for that when I gonna fall down. Anyway, I will show you today a little bit around, and meanwhile enjoy a little bit of the morning rain in Bali. Like tropical rain is really beautiful here, and also especially because I'm gonna show you a little bit more around this place where I am now, especially during the rain. Anyway, this is the Hyatt Regency Hotel in Sanur. So many people last time asked me, where is this lovely place? Where did you talk about the quarantine? Yeah, this is the place, and they are like beautiful gardens, beautiful walk. Hotel is not so busy currently, so they are open to public. If you wanna go having a coffee or something like I used to go, it's pretty nice. Here supposed to be normally the restaurant for breakfast over here, but well, it's closed since the beginning of you know what. So the pool area and the restaurant for the breakfast, everything is at the front, but it's very windy. Not so bad beginning of Monday, right? Beginning of the week. I quickly gonna show you a little bit shot of the swimming pool area before I'm gonna grab my coffee. Well, maybe not the best weather for playing in the pool right now. However, looks really not so bad. And here is the restaurant. Obviously there is a little bit hidden now because of the rain, and also the situation on the beach. Guy is cleaning. Hello. Normally you can sit here, but well, not during the rain. And quick shot on the beach. Seems like it's flat on the promenade today. A lot of water, and have to be very careful how you walk. Meanwhile, the beach at morning looks like this, pretty nice. Waiting when they're gonna finish the promenade. Coffee time. And some said the rain like this gonna be till Wednesday. I spoke with few people this morning, and everybody saying it's till Wednesday. I don't know if it's gonna be like this, because since I live in Bali for 6 years, I never experienced rain more than one day, and that seems like 3 days. But well, also the December wasn't as rainy as it's in this year, so maybe that's gonna be true. Meanwhile, I'm gonna show you a little bit how it looks like at morning in Sanur on Tamblingan Street. Few characteristic places. So, diving center, British pub, money changer, over contract, Ulu. Everything here is for rent. Well, here is the Daily Baguette, French bakery, cafe, restaurant. Very popular right now, especially for European people having a breakfast. One day I'm gonna go there deep inside, show you around. And here is the sandwich bar, also quite famous place, especially for breakfast. But seems like today, while it's raining, not so many people in general around. But this is very common thing when it's raining. Here gonna be some new construction, I think. There's so much new development in Sanur actually. Ryoshi. But Ryoshi at morning for sure is closed. And also here, very favorite place for many of people, place called Sol in the Ball. Or Sol on the Ball. No, Sol on the beach and Sol in the Ball. This is the Sol in the Ball. Still open. And driving is not easy right now. Yeah, this is the place. Seems like rain is slightly less, but only slightly. Here is the many's favorite markets called Arta Sedana right now. Ex Hardee's. They even have a Grab location, like you can now officially order because there is no taxi drivers around. Shop seems very quiet to the old times when it was really busy. Well, this is like some new coffee place, and obviously here is the place where many people are always chilling. It's called Coffee Kiosk. Over here, don't want to distract the people over there.
Wait a second, let me just get rid of this.
So here is little bit hiding the advertising of the Cocomat. But this is the Coffee Kiosk, the most famous place in full Sanur, Tambringan, isn't it? Yo, what's up? How you doing? People enjoying their coffee? Hello? Why are you so shy now?
Cheers.
Cheers, guys.
Gotcha.
Yeah. All right. Was the good we spoke with the people. Well, expats of Sanur, always happy vibes. And well, behind me is Nori's restaurant, Japanese cuisine. And well, pretty also sad views like this one, the ticket office. Like I said, no more drivers around waiting and trying to sell you tours. Alright, just arrived to the Sindhu morning market because at night here is the night market, but during the morning there is the morning market, like a traditional market. Let's see how is it inside. It's still slightly rainy, so I'm gonna get inside now. So this is the Sindhu morning market, but it's already 9 o'clock and I think many people already went home. Basically you can buy the veg, fruit, veg, fresh meat like a chicken especially. Many things like this. Pretty nice place if you're living in Sanur. This is like every city, every town, every village have traditional markets in Bali, and this one is in Sanur. Oh, hold on a sec. Here is the fresh fish, fresh meat. Still you can buy like a chicken, little bit, and stuff like this. All is fresh here and it's kinda clean to compare to the other markets actually what I saw. So it's really not so bad. Nice tasty chicken. Also little situation outside. Well, everybody in motorbikes like this, weather like this, you need to have a raincoat like this one. Very important, otherwise you're gonna get wet, but seems like it's not so really busy nowadays. Or maybe because it's 9 o'clock, it's just too late already, but yeah. Also rain don't help with anything. Also somebody last time asked me to show you the Dutch warung, which is this one, this sign, Dutch snacks. Here we go. Unfortunately at morning it's closed. I think it's open like afternoon. Okay, so quick shot, the Dutch warung here, and also here is little bit Masakan Padang. Always good to take a little shout out to the Padang people. They doing the great food. And well, the end of Sindhu area. In the rain, in the morning, in Sanur. I think I never vlog here, so that's why I show you just little quick shot. Just literally. What this big bus is doing in Sanur, that's very unusual. Unusual. Alright guys, so the situation looks like this. Well, Monday morning, quite busy with motorbikes, little bit still raining. Oh, I just realized it's wearing the mask on the street without my microphone, what I usually put over here. You cannot really hear me properly. So anyway, that was the spontaneous vlog today. Well, I start from the, you know, like a 5-star fancy hotel gardens around in Sanur. Then I showed you the like a more expat vibe, where I really expat chilling around, having a coffee, support the local businesses. And then I showed you the local market, which is Sindhu morning market, and at night is night market, and showed you the, in general, the life today in Sanur. As you know, as you see, Sanur have everything, not only tourist spots but also local. It's like really, in my opinion, great place to be, to enjoy, especially if you are long-term staying in Bali. Like it's rainy, I didn't plan this vlog, it's totally spontaneous, so I hope so you enjoyed anyway. And well guys, what I can say, as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow. If this video gonna get 300 likes, that's mean you enjoy, so please like. And you can subscribe, and you know, stuff like this, YouTube stuff. Well, it's still very rainy. See you tomorrow.